Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to do a question from the chapter Living and Non-Living Things. This you are going to find at page number 175 of your semester 1 book. So let's start. The very first thing, you will write today's date. Today is 8/1/2023. On the red line, write the chapter's name, living and non-living things. The question is difference. Write the difference between living and non-living things. I repeat, write the difference between living and non-living things. So for this you have to divide your page like this. Okay, then draw the line here. Okay, this side you are going to write living things, and the other side you will write non-living things. Okay, so the very first point you will write is, say and write along with me, children. Living things living things need food to live and grow. Full stop. Similarly, we are going to write here number 1, non-living things S. Okay, non-living things do not need food to live and grow. Okay, living things need food to live and grow, whereas non-living things do not need food to live and grow. Okay, and see, this line you have finished, so here one line will be empty to write the second line from here. Okay, that is the next line, because on both the sides you have to start from the same line. Okay, so we write here number 2, and the second one is about living things. They can breathe. And here it is. They cannot breathe. Check out the spelling of breathe. Breathe. Because of the line, it is not shown. So check it out here. Breathe. Breathe. Living things can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Okay. Next one, number 3 is for living things, they reproduce. That is, they give birth to the young ones. And what about non-living things? They cannot reproduce. Okay. Let me turn the page, children, so that we can write number 4. Again, in this page, you will have to draw the line, children. So let's draw that first. Whenever you want to write the difference between two things, then you have to draw such kind of line. Okay. So here we go. Number 4 is, here it is living things and this side it is non-living things. Don't forget. If you want, you can write again on the top, but there is no need actually. So for living things, number 4 is they can move from one place to another on their own. So they don't need anyone to move from one place to another. Okay. And this side, the fourth one is, that is about the non-living things. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Okay. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another on their own. They need an extra force to move from one place to another. Okay. Come to number 5. For living things, it is they can feel. Okay. You and I can feel because we are living things. For non-living things, they cannot feel. The next one, that will be number 6. They can grow. This was for living things. And for non-living things, number 6 will be they cannot grow. Okay. So hereby we have completed this question, that is the difference between living and non-living things. Okay. In addition, you can write some examples over here. So let's write number 7 as well. For example, man, plants. One more I can give, insects. Okay. And examples for non-living things. For example, table, bag, the pen which we are using, or your pencils, etc. Okay. Let's read it once, children. Read along with me. Write the difference between living and non-living things. Answer is living things, non-living things. Repeat after me, children. Living things need food to live and grow. Once again, living things need food to live and grow. Non-living things do not need food to live and grow. Once again, non-living things do not need food to live and grow. Come to the second point. They can breathe. This was about living things. Living things can breathe. Now come to non-living things. They cannot breathe. Once again, non-living things cannot breathe. Third one, for living things. Repeat after me, children. They reproduce. Once again, living things reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Number 4. Okay, so here is number 4. They can move from one place to another on their own. So we are talking about living things. Living things can move from one place to another on their own. Now we come to non-living things. Repeat after me, children. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another on their own. Number 5, for living things, they can feel. Once again, living things can feel. Non-living things cannot feel. They cannot feel. Sixth one, they can THEY, okay? They can grow. Living things can grow. They cannot grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Example for living things are man, plants, insects. I repeat, man, plants, insects. Example for non-living things are table, bag, pen. I repeat, table, bag, pen. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.